Welcome to the Purrfect recipe remake. I'm EK, and these are my whisked co-stars, Romeo and Juliet. Alright team, who's ready for a supermarket adventure?
Banana cake! Finally! My time to shine.
If this trip doesn't end in tuna, I'm out.
Okay, let's see what happens. What should we remake next?
You always listen to Romeo, but not me. You promised this time would be my recipe.
She's just in it for the spotlight.
Alright Juliet, it's your moment. Banana cake it is.
Yes, finally!
She acts as if she just won a trophy.
Bananas, butter, eggs, flour, sugar, the usual magic. Full lists in the description, and yes, it's inspired by joy of baking. Obviously. Butter the pan, line the bottom, no crinkles.
I'm a cat, not a pastry chef.
Next, the bananas. Sour cream. Go into the food processor. Add sugar and vanilla. Then blend it all until smooth and creamy. Now we add the eggs and give it one final blend.
No shell, no excuses.
In go the flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt.
She's making a masterpiece and a mess.
That's called creative dusting.
Now we add the softened butter into the dry ingredients.
I thought this was a shared ingredient.
All that butter's for the cake, not your face, Romeo.
Add half the banana mixture to the dry ingredients and beat on low speed, just until combined.
Smooth and creamy, just like me.
Increase the speed to medium and beat for 1.5 minutes. Scrape the bowl as needed, then add the rest of the banana mix in 2 parts.
I am the spatula queen.
Wake me when the cake is ready.
Now pour the batter into the prepared pan and gently smooth the top.
It's beautiful.
Smells like victory.
Bake the cake for about 30 to 40 minutes until golden and set in the center.
Not 1 second early.
Wake me when it smells like frosting.
Insert a toothpick into the center of the cake. It should come out clean.
Clean, flawless, approved.
Can we eat now?
Remove the cake from the oven and let it cool on a wire rack for 10 minutes. Once completely cooled, frost it with cream cheese frosting.
Nobody touches it until it's cool. Not even you, EK.
Beat the cream cheese and butter until smooth. Then add powdered sugar and vanilla and beat for 2 to 3 minutes until fluffy.
Smooth and creamy, just like me.
Here, butter delivery.
Don't worry. I'm scraping the sides. No frosting left behind.
She takes frosting way too seriously.
Now beat in the finely chopped pecans to finish the frosting.
Evenly, elegantly, like a pro.
They taste better before they go in.
Gently spread the frosting over the cooled cake.
Now, a final touch of finely chopped pecans. Perfect.
Let's give it a taste. Juliet's banana cake masterpiece.
Banana royalty.
I'd trade my tuna stash for another slice.
Thank you to Joy of Baking. Your recipes are simply the best. If you love Juliet's banana cake, hit subscribe for more cozy chaos every Friday. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, see you on the Purrfect Recipe Remake Show. Bye-bye.
Old-fashioned banana cake, Juliet's pick, make no mistake. Dance, dance, pause on beat, whisk it up, it's soft and sweet. Old-fashioned banana cake, Romeo spins, Juliet shakes.